Everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Philine and today we're going to do unboxing. And it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. And because shopping is an art, here we go. Don't forget to visit my Mercari. All my unboxing today is going to be on sale in my Mercari. And believe me, I give you a very good price. And don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel so you can follow me with my unboxing with a beautiful bags, wallet, and beautiful things. All right, yay. Okay. Look at that. This is my favorite brand that I'm unboxing right now. So I am outsourcing it, not only in the outlet bag. I bought this in my fellow Mercari seller. That she's very nice and she gave me a good price for this. So believe me, I will give this also a good price to you. Okay, so first things first, this is VIP small leather. There you go, and in very soft. So as you can see, look at that, and it's just so cute, you know, and it's very soft, and I love that about it. It has a card in it here. I didn't see where is the price tag here, but I know this is brand new. So it has a card slot also here, and also two little pockets in here, and then one back pocket here. So, and this is where you can put anything like sunglasses and stuff. So this is it's gonna be hard. This is going to be a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. This is very soft and very nice in a very dark and metal. Look at that. And okay, and second one is this. It comes with a dust bag, and voila. So this is a tote from also a Hammit. This is really nice. I believe this is called the Oliver Medium Apricot Tan Snake. So this is a with a gold hardware. This is really pretty. And this is how is the closure of this one. And not much there. Okay, so those are the fillings, and I don't know, this one doesn't have the price, but I know it's 175 or 225 each for this this size. And this one is originally $345, and you can wear it shoulder bag. There, let me put this away. So there you have it. So this is the Hammit Oliver in medium size, and this is the VIP Montana. Oh no, not VIP, not Montana. VIP shoulder bag in a small size. There you go. And thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Bye.